Good afternoon, my name is Mariana Elizondo, and on behalf of Team 1, I am going to explain the stages of science through history. So, having the knowledge of why things happen is in the nature of humankind. It is a need to understand the behavior of objects, as well as creating a bond between what we observe and what we think that will happen in the near future. Since the beginning of times, humans have been really interested in further investigating the position of the sun, the moon, the stars, and trying to find a logical answer to all these changes that occur throughout the year. For example, the day, the night, seasonal changes, among many other phenomena, leading to the theories that we follow today. For example, the heliocentric theory. Science has been present in the universe even long before we knew there was a concept that would be called like that in the near future. Everything in the world is science. What we see, what we touch, what we smell, even we are 1,000 processes of science. So, the conceptualization of science started in the ancient era with Thales of Miletus, which was a philosopher and mathematician, which was the father of the deductive thinking. Then, during the first civilizations, with the development of agriculture, it completely changed the human lifestyle because it gave them 1,000 of opportunities more to survive. Then it was followed by the medieval era, which was an era of transition, of change, of constantly advancing, adjusting, looking for new interests, new values, different behaviors, different roles, having the printing press as the most important discovery of the Middle Age. Then, during the Industrial Revolution, there was also an era of advancement. Here, the discovery of new materials such as iron and steel were really important in industries. Also, the discovery of new sources of energy, for example, coal, the use of petroleum, electricity, they lead to a whole new era of discoveries. Also, machines as the steam engine were really important. And finally, during modern science in the 11th and 12th century, with Aristotle as the father of this era, it opened its doors to the scientific method, which gave foot to millions of experiments and discoveries that are essential in our daily lives. Today, every single experiment that we make is based on the scientific method. That is why this era is so important, and this is why we follow today every single step that happened in the past. Thank you for your attention.